생존 여행 영어 시작합니다. 호텔에서 위치나 관광 정보를 문의할 때
Hello. Do you have a map of the area?
Yes, here you go.
Can you recommend any tourist spots or local restaurants nearby?
Sure, the art museum is popular. And there's a great noodle place nearby.
How can I get there?
You can take the subway or the bus. The subway station is 5 minutes away.
Where's the nearest bus stop?
It's just across from the subway station.
Is there a local market or cafe I can visit?
Yes, there's a market on weekends. And a nice cafe next to the museum.
Great. Are there any cultural events today?
Yes, there's a live show in the park at 7 p.m.